Imagine this. You just graduated, you've got your degree, and now everyone's telling you to get a job, send out resumes, start climbing the corporate ladder. But what if I told you that's the worst financial move you can make right now? Most people think the only way to make money is to work for someone else, but the rich play by a different set of rules. In this video, I'll show you exactly why you shouldn't rush into a 9-to-5 and what you should do instead to build real financial freedom while you're still young. Let's get started. Here's the truth. A job won't make you rich. Most people graduate, get a job, and then spend the next 40 years working for someone else only to end up barely scraping by when they retire. Why? Because the system is designed to keep you trading time for money. Your boss decides your salary, your hours, your worth. And at the end of the month, taxes take a huge cut before you even see your paycheck. Schools don't teach you how to build wealth. They teach you how to work for someone who did. And if you follow the traditional path, you'll always be stuck earning just enough to survive, but never enough to be free. So, if a job won't make you rich, what's the alternative? Let's break it down. Most people believe that having a job means financial security, but the truth is, it's the exact opposite. Think about it. When you have a job, someone else controls your income. Your salary is capped, no matter how hard you work. Your boss decides whether you get a raise. And if the company decides to cut costs, you're replaceable. But here's the worst part. Time is your most valuable asset, and a job takes that away. A 9-to-5 means you're trading hours for money, and there's a limit to how many hours you can work. That's why most employees never break out of the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Meanwhile, the rich, they don't work for money, they make money work for them. They build assets, things that generate money even when they're asleep. They create multiple streams of income so they're never dependent on just one paycheck. If you want to be financially free, you need to start thinking like them. So, instead of relying on a job, what should you do instead? Let's move to the next step. Most young people believe they have plenty of time to figure out their finances, but that's a mistake. The earlier you start building multiple income streams, the easier it is to achieve financial freedom, because time is your greatest advantage. Let's say you start investing or building an online business at 22. By the time you're 30, you could be making more money passively than your job ever paid you. But if you wait until 32 start, you'll likely spend decades trying to catch up. The key is to stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an investor. Instead of depending on one paycheck, you need to create multiple ways for money to flow into your life. This could be through investments, side hustles, digital products, or online businesses. Most millionaires don't rely on a single source of income. They build systems that make them money while they sleep. So, what's the best way to get started? First, you need the right skills. Let's break down the ones that actually make money. If you want to break free from the 9-to-5 trap, you need to learn skills that pay. Most people graduate with a degree that doesn't guarantee them a high income. But the ones who get rich, they master skills that businesses and people are willing to pay for. So, what are the best money-making skills? First, high-income digital skills like coding, copywriting, video editing, and digital marketing. These skills allow you to make money online, work remotely, and scale your income. Next, sales and negotiation skills. Because no matter what you do, the ability to sell and persuade will always make you more money. And finally, financial literacy. Because even if you make more money, if you don't know how to invest, save, and multiply it, you'll stay broke. The best part? You don't need a degree to learn these skills. You can start today through online courses, YouTube, books, or mentors. Once you develop these skills, you'll never have to rely on a job again. Now, how do you actually start making money without a traditional job? Let's talk about that next. Most people think starting a business requires a ton of money, but that's simply not true. In today's world, you can start a profitable business with almost zero investment. All you need is the right idea and execution. For example, you can start freelancing with the skills we just talked about, offering services like video editing, copywriting, or social media management. No upfront cost, just your time. Or, if you want something scalable, try digital products like ebooks, online courses, or templates. You create them once and sell them over and over again. Then there's affiliate marketing where you promote other people's products and earn commissions. No inventory, no shipping, just profits. And if you're into e-commerce, you can start with dropshipping, print on demand, or even flipping products on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. The point is, there are endless ways to start making money without a traditional job. But what's even more important, knowing how to turn a small amount of money into real wealth. So let's talk about that next. So now you know the problem with traditional jobs, the skills that make money, and how to start a side hustle. But how do you actually escape the rat race and become financially free? Here's the step-by-step plan. First, increase your income, whether through freelancing, starting a side hustle, or getting into investing. You need to make more than you spend so you have money to work with. Second, save aggressively, not to hoard money in a bank, but to fund your investments. The more you save, the faster you can invest. Third, invest strategically instead of keeping money in a savings account. Put it to work in stocks, real estate, or digital assets. Fourth, scale your income streams. Once your first business or side hustle is making money, reinvest and expand. Finally, automate and systemize. The goal isn't to work harder forever, but to build systems that generate passive income. Most people never reach financial freedom because they stay stuck in the cycle of earning and spending. But if you follow these steps, you can escape the rat race years ahead of everyone else. Now, let's talk about why most people never take action and how to avoid that trap. Most people dream of financial freedom, but very few actually take action. Why? Because they're waiting for the perfect time, waiting to feel ready, waiting for someone else to tell them what to do. But here's the truth, no one is coming to save you. If you don't take control of your finances now, you'll wake up years later stuck in a job you hate, wondering why you never started. Successful people don't wait. They take action even when they're unsure. They make mistakes, learn, and keep moving forward. Right now, you have a choice. Keep following the traditional path and hope for the best, or take control and build your own future. The question is, which path will you choose? If this video opened your eyes, if you're ready to stop following the outdated path and start building real wealth, then take action today. Start learning high-income skills. Launch a side hustle. Invest that first $100. And if you want more strategies to help you escape the rat race and achieve financial freedom faster, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll be dropping more game-changing videos just like this. Also, drop a comment below. What's the first step you're going to take after watching this video? Most people spend their whole lives following the system, working for someone else, living paycheck to paycheck, and waiting decades to finally enjoy life. But you have a choice. You don't have to wait until you're 60 to be financially free. You can start today. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't: action. Your future self is watching what you do today, and it will either thank you or regret that you didn't start sooner. So go make it happen, and I'll see you at the top.